Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàárọ̀, ibikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń wò mẹ́yìn wa. Welcome to another edition of Akomolede. This channel is so funny to me that I don't even know how to handle it. One time I was speaking Yoruba, the other time another breath I'm speaking English. I'm sorry. It's just because of my audience who are not Yorubas. So this is Akomolede, the channel that teaches the culture and the language of Yoruba people of Nigeria especially. Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà ẹ̀yin àyẹ̀wò wa. Orúkọ tèmi ni Ìtùnú. Èmi náà ni atọ́kùn lórí ètò yìí and our hostess on this program. Before have you subscribed to this channel? Let me even ask you. Alright, before I move on, please subscribe. Alright, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking, I'm going to be teaching, I'm going to be discussing the names of birds in Yoruba. What birds are called in Yoruba? Oh my goodness, what is this? You see what I'm seeing right now? Okay, I'm going to be talking about what birds are called in Yoruba. You know, everything you have there has their own names in Yoruba. Alright, so we're going to be talking today, we're going to be discussing what the names of birds are called. Alright, okay, what's did you watch the other time we discussed Orúkọ the names children literally bring from heaven. So that was the last thing I discussed with you, and I hope you still remember them. But now we're going to be talking about names of birds. Eiye, names of birds. So the first one I'll be looking at today. Oh, look at that. What I'm looking at today is this. Yep, did you see that? Eiye. That's it. Eiye. In some places in Yoruba, they will say Eiye. Eiye. So you hear Eiye, Eiye. It's the same thing. Eiye, hen. Alright. And then again, Eiye, yeah, that's hen. So we are looking at this today, and I'm going to be treating, like I told you, I promised you on this channel, I'm not going to be doing too long the video. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about just five birds, and then we will, so I have a bunch. Let me quickly give a shout out to the friend who sent me this material, Kunle. Thank you very much. I've been trying to call you on the phone. I don't know what's going on with your phone. Thank you very much. So in the light of that, if you have any material that I can use on this channel, don't hesitate to share with me. Alright, so that's Eiye or Eiye. So the next one I'll be looking at is this. Ye. You now see the beauty of what I taught you earlier on, AMI. You know, we discussed AMI, those marks, those marks on the alphabets. You know, we talked about it on this channel. So pe, ye, mi, re. Pe, ye is duck. Pe, ye. I can't just laugh because of that sound. I told you that you should begin to read Yoruba with starting from the AMI. When you read the AMI, you would know how to pronounce it. Pe, ye, mi, re. See that mi, downward stroke. Mi, then re doesn't have any. I hope you still remember your lessons on AMI. Okay, so let's move on. The next one. Ogongo. That is ostrich. God is awesome. Nature is so beautiful. Look at that. And I hear that this thing can pluck the eyes of human being out. So if you ever go to any zoo where there is ostrich, please don't go near. You know, they normally cage them in big nets like that, so you can watch them from where you are. So don't go near the net because they say it can just pluck. It likes to eat ice. Just see, it likes to eat ice. That's ogongo. Ogongo. Ostrich. The next one. Oh my goodness, this is cute, beautiful. Aroni. It's called Aroni. Sunbird. Aroni. Look at those. In fact, don't miss God though, because if nature can be as beautiful as this, I can't imagine how it will be when we meet God. Okay, so don't miss Him. Okay, I'm not a preacher. I'm just advising you. So this is Sunbird. Aroni. See that? Aroni. Sunbird. The next one. Odere. Dodomi. Odere. Cuckoo. Is it cuckoo? Cuckoo. Odere. Dodomi. Odere. Oh my goodness, I love those things. So, until I come your way again, don't forget, subscribe to this channel, share, like, send me comments. All right, let me know your thoughts. And just like this, my friend Kunle sent me this material. If you have any material that you can send me that I can use, why not? Please send it to my email. My email is in the description of this video. But before I leave today, let me leave you with www.mybridesmaids.org. That's a website where babysitters and parents connect. If you are a parent in the US, babysitter or cleaner, connect with one another on this platform, and you will be glad you did. Until I come your way again next week, I'm still going to be teaching names of birds in Yoruba. Trust me, for the next how many weeks, because I have a whole bunch of them. Until I come your way the next week, be safe, keep safe. I love you. Bye.